Hi, I'm Debbie, and this is Yvette, and she's going to show us today how to make a beautiful spring tree craft. So the things that you're going to need, the supplies that are included, are the tree trunk template, blue watercolor dot, paintbrush, and construction paper strips that you have there, the 4 colors. And then you're also going to need some glue and a pencil or chopstick will work, a small dish for your glue, and a water dish for your watercolor. Okay? So first, you're going to use the blue watercolor dot and paint your sky. Now while the sky is drying, you can start making your coils. Yvette's got a picture here that's already dry, so she can do it for you. You can make them all at once or as you go along. And to make the shape blossoms, just wrap your strip around the pencil and slide it off. And then you dip it in the glue and glue it to the tree. Keep gluing down your blossoms and your leaf shapes until you get it like you like it. Okay, when you do a leaf, you do the coil and then you will pinch your coil shape at both ends. You can leave. And do the same thing. If you'd like, you can add some to the bottom of the tree, the ones that fell off. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for watching our craft today. Debbie and I enjoyed you guys watching us, and feel free to leave any comments or show us your picture in the comments. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.